Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. I'm going to start off showing you guys what I'm cooking today. Some delicious, creamy, Creole style red beans and rice. Here's my rice here. Here's my red beans with sausage in it. And it looks really creamy, guys. The recipe is on my YouTube channel, Ella Dishes It Out. So you guys make sure to check it out. It's a creamy style red beans and rice with some bay leaves in there. Got some bay leaves in there. But this is, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, there's a bay leaf right there. See that bay leaf? Yeah, I think I put 3 bay leaves in this big pot. This is a huge pot. I'm cooking it for a huge group of people. And so you can go check that out. And then I've got some spaghetti back here with meatballs that I cooked for them as well. So I usually cook a couple of meals a week, 2 or 3 meals a week for this group, so that they can get through the next week. I will be delivering it on Saturday. So that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in to my short little video, Ella Dishes It Out. But I just wanted to show you guys that I am still cooking. And also, look for me on my new website called Ella Cooks. It's a catering company. So if you need catering and you're nearby the Houston area, check me out. All right. Thank you, guys. Love you. Mwah. And remember, as always, bon appetit. Bye. Oh, yes. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.